What's up, folks? Earlier this month, we got our first look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The renders revealed that the phone will have slightly rounder edges compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, making the device more comfortable to hold. Now, a new leak gives us information about the phone's thickness and weight, and these details suggest that Samsung is taking even more steps to make the device feel more comfortable in hand. On Twitter, Ice Universe says that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest and lightest flagship phone among its competitors, including the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is coming out on September 9th, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. For your reference, the one from Google has a waistline of 8.5 mm and tips the scale at 221 grams. As for Apple's upcoming flagship smartphone, leaks and rumors suggest that it will have a thickness of 8.25 mm and weigh 225 grams. That means the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a thickness of less than 8.25 mm and weigh less than 221 grams. It also means that Samsung's next flagship model will be at least 0.35 mm thinner and 7 grams lighter than its predecessor, which has a waistline of 8.6 mm and tips the scales at 232 grams. With these improvements, the Galaxy S25 Ultra should feel much more comfortable in hand than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. What else will the Galaxy S25 Ultra offer? Other leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have 4 cameras at the rear: a 200-megapixel primary camera with a wide lens, a 50-megapixel camera with a telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel camera with a super telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel camera with an ultra-wide lens. For selfies, there will be a 12-megapixel camera at the front. They also reveal that the company will equip the phone with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus could also be available with the in-house developed Exynos 2500. Expect the frequency of leaks about these devices to increase rapidly from now on. A few days ago, we got our first look at Samsung's next set of flagship tablets, the Galaxy Tab S10 series, which has only 2 devices, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, unlike the previous lineup that had a vanilla model as well. Now we are getting another look at the 2 upcoming tablets. Courtesy of Android Headlines, today we have 2 new renders of the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. These images show the 2 tablets from the front and their S Pen. As you can see, they look identical to the current models, which means that they have a symmetrical, clean and modern design. Unfortunately, that's all the new leak reveals. That being said, we have a pretty good idea about what these tablets will offer thanks to previous leaks. According to them, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus will have a 12.4-inch display, whereas the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will have a 14.6-inch screen just like their predecessors. Samsung will equip them with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, which is one of the most powerful SoCs in the market, making these tablets a true powerhouse. According to a recent report, Samsung will start mass-producing the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra this month and launch them in October. They will go right up against Apple's iPad Pro 11 and iPad Pro 13. As we get closer to the launch, we might get more leaks about these devices telling us more about them. Anyway guys, we will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.